Hello everyone, my name is Yash. Happy International Yoga Day. We celebrate Yoga Day on 21st June every year since 2015. Yoga is an essential part of our life and from and from and from yoga is started at ancient times. Lord Shiva is referred to the father of yoga or yogic science. Yoga is celebrated on 21st June 2015 since next. Thank you for watching my video.
Start.
Hello everyone, my name is Vineet Lokna. First of all, thanks to give me this opportunity, and I wish you all International Yoga Day. Yoga is a Indian practice mentored by Hindu sacrifice, and Maharishi Patanjali is the father of yoga. Maharishi is the father of yoga. 21st June is celebrated as International Yoga Day since 2015. The yoga is started from 21st June 2050, and the yoga is proposed by Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in United Nations Assembly, and that day the people gather and practice the yoga with unity and practice with unity. It is celebrated to in growth the yoga and grow the yoga to global level. Yoga did not help us. Yoga did not help us to fit our body, but 10 to 20 minutes yoga brings a lot of positive things, and the physical way of yoga is our life. So I request to all, please adopt the yoga. Be healthy, be happy.
Hello everyone, I am here to speak something about Yoga Day. International Yoga Day is celebrated every year on 21st June as a global event. International Yoga Day started from the year 2015. It was Prime Minister Narendra Modi who proposed this day at the United Nations in 2014. A draft resolution on International Day of Yoga received support from 177 nations, the highest number of co-sponsors for any UNGA resolution. And the aim United Nations declared 21 June as a International Yoga Day. The aim of World Yoga Day is make people aware about the benefits of the yoga in the world. And we should do yoga every day, not in International Yoga Day also, but we should do. And yoga is ancient art which was originated in India, and it helps us to live a healthy lifestyle and better life forever. Yoga is very good practice if one does in daily life. Yoga plays a significant role in one's life, and yoga plays a significant role in our daily life.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanish. So we all are know 21 June celebrate International Yoga Day, and International Yoga Day is starting from 21 June 2015. It is declared by the UN General Assembly, and it is proposed by the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and it proposed 17 September 2014, and it is adopted by the General Assembly 11 December. So he started on 21 June, and this day is choose because 21 June is the longest day of the year, and yoga is described from the Sanskrit, derived from the Sanskrit word, and it means is the yoga described. It means use word is described. Use subject is described union, and it means many. Maharishi Patanjali described of yoga. It is the soul of divine. It means it is necessary for our life, and we should do yoga every day because it is help us our health, mental and emotional. So it is prepare of all the human body, and it is supported the human posture, and he create a best position and best posture of your body. And so the father of yoga is Maharishi Patanjali, and Maharishi Patanjali is described yoga on 5,000 years ago. He is a very good in yoga, and he is a teacher. He is a very big knowledge of yoga, and he and Lord Shiva is a Adi Yogi. In it means yoga is that yoga. Thank you everyone. Thank you.
Hello everyone. This is International Yoga Day. Today is 21st June. Today I am going to speak few lines on yoga. And an ancient time, the yoga is the practice of India. The first time International Yoga Day was celebrated in 2015, 21st June. The father of yoga is Mr. Patanjali, and Devananda is known as Yoga Man of India. Cures all diseases such as like fat, loss of BP, etc. Thank you.
Hello everyone. First of all, I want to wish you International Yoga Day. You know very well, we kept on we celebrate this day from 21st June every year from 2015, and when was the Prime Minister was the Modi was the Prime Minister of India, and he promoted yoga at international level, and yoga has come out from the Sanskrit language used, and it means insight and join, and there are a lot of benefit from the doing yoga, like physical active and emotionally benefit. You know very well there are lots of benefit of yoga, like physically active and emotionally. And so through the yoga we removed our many types of disease, like thyroid, fever, headache, like many types of disease removed with the through of yoga. So I suggest we should doing every day of yoga, and because with the through of yoga you will you become strong mentally and physically through the yoga. And nowadays, you know very well, Baba Ramdev has lot of knowledge about yoga, and his program comes on the TV in Astha channel. So he will help to doing yoga activity, and there are lots of apps available in their mobile phones to doing yoga in every day. So thank you for